Hello everyone. Today we are going to make hand wash which we use in our daily life with the help of small pieces of soaps which we throw in our garbages. So let's start to prepare. The ingredients which is used to make this are soap, small pieces, water. I have taken Dettol, or we can take sanitizer also, and a bottle to keep the hand wash. So now these are the ingredients. Remember, soap, Dettol, water, and a bottle. I have taken the things which are available in our homes. We do not have to buy these things from market. They are not expensive. So let's start. Keep it now. Let's take a beaker and we have to keep it on a medium flame. So let's start. Now I have to keep it here. Now we have to take the water which I suggested you to take. We have to put this water, a glass of water, a medium size glass I have taken, and half water I have put it on the flame. So now let's allow it to get boiled. The bubbles are coming, very soon it will get boiled. So just wait. Now we can see that the bubbles have came. So now what will we do, that since the water is boiled, as we know bubbles have come, so now the soaps which we have taken, the small pieces of soap, we will put this on the water. Okay, be conscious because the water is hot. If they will splash into a house, a hand, then it might get burned. Now what will we do, the rest of the water which we have taken, we will put so that we could make a good solution. So now let's allow it to get ready, and the water should be the soap should be melted. So till that time we have to wait unless or until the soap gets soluble, become very liquid instead of solid. They can convert themselves into liquid, and yeah, of course it will take some time, so just wait. In between we have to take the help of a spoon and we have to move it so that it will help us see. Now that is soaps are becoming liquid. They are not solid as before they are. We can easily cut it, and now slowly they could become in liquid, that is they can convert themselves. Now just wait until and unless they cannot convert themselves. With the help of spoon we have to move this water so that quickly they could become. We have to move the spoon gently just like this so that they could easily convert the soaps into liquid. The solid part could be converted. You have to just move it. See, the colors are now becoming, water have become yellow in color since I have taken yellow color soap, so it is becoming. Now what will we do? I have suggested you to take Dettol. Do you remember? So now let's take the Dettol. See how much Dettol I am taking. I'm taking Dettol, very little, 1 spoon is excessive. Now we will put it because since this soap we are using in our day-to-day life, there might be some infection or something just like that. So we will put that so that it will be protected, so that it will be disease-free, infection-free. Now I have taken. Now just do one thing, move slightly unless and until my soap have not become yet liquid. So let's move. See, my solution have completely become it has taken the color, or its posture is just like the hand wash which we use in our day-to-day life. Can you see it? Recognize? This is our as usual hand wash which we use in our day-to-day life. I have made it with the help of waste soap which left our bathroom after excessive use and which we throw. Think, from that soap we can make such a great thing, hand wash, which we buy from market in the higher cost, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, just like that, right? And since I have taken Dettol company hand wash, and you know that hand wash of a Dettol company is also very expensive, and I have used the Dettol soap which we left our home and which we throw away. So with the help of that, see how great hand wash I have made. Now we have to move the spoon gently, unless and until I told you this will become, that is, the soap will convert into a liquid. You have to move it gently. And do you know why I'm moving this? First reason is so that it could melt itself easily. Second one is that if we can't move it now, the soaps which we have put it, they will settle down on the bottom, and only liquid, very less part of liquid will be mixed with the soap, and rest of the soap will settle on the bottom part. So to remove that things, we have used this spoon. Just make it lesser. Now we will off the flame because it's completed almost, only few parts are left, so we will remove it, no need to, because if we will heat it too much now, then the water which we have put it on this, they will vaporize. So anyway, it's ready. Now we have to, I told you to take a bottle. I have taken the empty bottle of Lifebuoy. So now what will we do? We will let it to become cool. We will left it unless and until it will become cool, and then after it become cool, we will put this liquid into this empty bottle and use in our day-to-day life. Oh, there is some water in my okay, no worries. So now let it get cool. Now the solution has become cool. Now we will put it on our bottle. Now let's put it. For you can see the texture, how good. It's just like a market soap which we use in our day-to-day life. See, since the bubbles are coming, so I have to wait so that we have to put it, and just wait. So when we see usually in our day-to-day life that the bubbles are there in our soap, so that's why that's coming. Nothing to worry. Advanced. And you know the utensil now, what to do with this utensil? Again, we are going to put some water a little bit because there are still the soaps in my utensil. You could see there are the soaps, there are the liquids. So now what will I do? Again, I will put some water and I will again boil it. I will put only half glass of water. I have thrown the water right, so I will put it, and again I will boil it, and again I will put it, and this process I will continue until and unless it will become very clean. That is, my utensil will become. Now I will put it. Now I'm dead. You can see. Now what will I do? Since the bottle is looking bad, so it's because of a bubble. If we can wash it, they all will be get removed. You can see too much bubbles are coming. Okay, no worry. You have to just make it just like this. Just like this. Now it has become. And now what will you do? We will put it and wash it so that the outer texture of the bottle will also look good. So my liquid is ready. I hope you like my video. So you have seen I have made, see the liquid. Yes, just like a market one, it's coming. See, just like market one. And if I will wash it, see all the झाग which we said, सब चीज वैसे ही आ रही है, right? As usual, we use the local hand wash. Similarly, everything is done. All the bacteria are killed in our hand. So this is the simple way of making hand wash with a waste soap. We always throw the soap, right? So with the help of that soap, instead of throwing, I have made this hand wash, and I hope you have liked it. If you liked, please like, subscribe my channel so that if I could make some more interesting videos, then I could share it with you, and my ideas will be also shared with you, and you can implement these ideas on your daily life. Thank you.